Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
We can understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Example, ma'am.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I want to try to work Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, Good day, ma'am. I'm Jennifer Kapanig, 35 years old, from province of Ilocos. I'm single. I'm high school graduate. Uh, I have two different countries in Middle East experience. First is in UAE, five members family, two girls, one couple, and one boy. My main duties is all around clean the house, ironing, washing, uh, go market, and that's all, ma'am. And my
Okay.
second,
Okay, Ate. So we will going to start first your working experience. Okay, sorry, but I would like to let you know some few more details from you first. You don't have any children.
ano, ma'am. Abu Dhabi, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
Birthday, ma'am. February 2, ma'am, 1990.
February 2 or 25?
25, ma'am, sorry.
February 25. You forgot your birthday.
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
69, ma'am. My height is 5'1".
Okay, what about your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me more about your family's details so since you are single?
I'm single, ma'am, but we, uh, my parents with me, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother, how many sister, what is your parents' occupation, and how old is your parents?
I have two brothers and one sister, ma'am.
What about your parents?
Yes, ma'am. I have mother and father, ma'am, in our house.
How old is your mother and your father, and what is their occupation?
My father's is 20 years old, is a farmer, and my mother's is 62 as a housekeeper, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
Uh, four, ma'am.
Okay, your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you have a working experience way back 2016 to 2021 in UAE,
Yes,
correct?
ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
worked there for 5 years.
Yes, ma'am.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Did you take care of any children?
No, ma'am.
What about elderly?
Elderly, no, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? Why you decided not to continue with this employer in UAE? Of course, you've been there for 5 years.
I want to go home Philippines, ma'am, and I can go back to Abu Dhabi because the pandemic before.
Okay. So after that, you have a working experience in Qatar and you finished your contract also.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
worked there way back 2022 to 2024, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Qatar?
My main duties is cooking, ma'am, baking, like that, ma'am. Clean the house.
Okay. You did the
Go market.
laundry and ironing.
Also, ma'am, do it, ma'am.
Did you take
Ironing
your
and
children?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue with this employer?
Uh, I finish contract, ma'am. I go again and another.
Okay, so I would like, of course, it's not new for you to work as a domestic helper, okay? You have a working experience already in Middle East and you already finished all the contract, right? You've been working for 5 years and 2 years. But I would like to let you know that Qatar UAE is quite different here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is quite big and really there is no joke. Yeah? So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Are you ready for any task that the
Yes,
employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Not that sure, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Middle East. So nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? And you already knew it that once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need
Yes,
to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, okay? And
ma'am.
any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, you already knew it. That you cannot
Yes.
simply say you wanted to go back home, even there is some of your family members passed away. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. But instead, you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? Many times already I have explained it, yeah? Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Wait, Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, fine, you can come here. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah? How do you fight your homesickness?
Uh, ano, ma'am? Para, make nicely, ma'am, the work.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Make nicely the work, ma'am.
You make busy.
Nicely, ma'am.
Okay, always remind yourself when you wanted to come and work abroad. Of course, this is not new for you. You've been working in Middle East for quite some time and I think almost a decade already. You are not longer a first timer, okay? So always remind yourself when you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself at the same time, okay? In Philippines, you
Yes,
can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day. Bye.